Hello, Go Church. This is Pastor Bob, and I'm going to show you how to get to the Facebook page for our church to watch our Sunday service very quickly and easily by adding a shortcut to the face of your phone, iPhone or Android. We're going to start with the iPhone first. First is that you have to use the Safari web browser on your phone that comes with the iPhone. You cannot use any other browser, and do not use the iPhone app if you have it on your phone. So using the browser, go to Facebook and then to the Global Outreach search. Put that in the search bar, which is the magnifying glass there. Then you'll pull up our web page where you'd probably have been before to watch the live stream. Down the bottom of that page, there's a little box with a up arrow. Please hit that, and that will take you to a page that gives you some options, and you want to hit the one that says Add to Home Page. That brings up another screen where you can edit the title of your screen icon. I suggest you shorten it to just Go Church. And then after you're finished that, just hit the blue button down at the bottom that says Done. Now when you look on the home screen of your iPhone, you'll see that icon that says, it has the Facebook icon that says Go Church. If you'll just hit that, tap that, it'll take you directly to our web page where you can watch the live stream. Isn't that cool? Okay, I have a special request of all of you that we help Pastor Chris and I and other leaders. We really want you to make comments on the Facebook page while you're watching the service, or before or after the service, really, so that we can have a conversation with you about your comments, questions, needs, prayer requests, whatever it is. It's one of the few times that we can connect with you in real time during the week. So we're instituting sort of a new ministry, kind of an internet pastor ministry, where I or someone else will be on Facebook responding to you and communicating with you. So please log in as a Facebook user, because you have to do that to make comments, or please get a Facebook account so that you can make comments. We would really appreciate that, and we hope to see you online making comments or in the church each Sunday. Please let us know how we can help you to connect with us electronically or otherwise in any way. And if you have any questions, and if you have trouble with this tutorial, just bring your phone to church, and I will be happy to make this little icon for you on your phone. God bless you. So that's how we do it for iPhones. And now for the Android phones. It's basically the same process. I'm using an example I captured offline here for a book, a website, but basically go to the Facebook page on Chrome for Android. You only use Chrome. Facebook page for Go Church, and then after you get there, hit the three buttons, three little dots up in the green circle. That'll take you to the next screen where you'll select the Add to Home screen, again in the green circle. And that'll take you to another screen where you'll just confirm that you want to add this to your home screen. Hit the add, and there on the last image you see that it's put an icon for that book site, Obuku, right on the phone. And that's where you'll have your Go Church icon also. So that's it. And if you have any trouble understanding the tutorial, please contact me. If you'd like to. And I just want to repeat that we're so grateful that you're watching online. We hope this makes it easier, and if we can do anything else to help you with the technological hurdles that we're all facing during this COVID season, please do not hesitate to contact me or Pastor Chris. God bless you, and Merry Christmas.